Hi, this is Chuck Birch at New Tech Machinery with the SSQ2. Going to talk to you about the drive system in the machine and rollers. We have 8 top and 8 bottom drive rollers, polyurethane. The maintenance on them is just keep the dust off of them and keep them clean from marking the material. You can see we left a little bit of dust on these just to show you. And then we go over to the sprockets which drive the chains, is what the drive is. On the chain of maintenance, you want to periodically oil them with just a standard, no grease, just a standard oil that'll wipe off. After you've oiled them, you want to go underneath and wipe them off. No material, you don't want to put any material in it, and you don't want the oil to get onto the drive rollers. Chain tensioning, you can see the tensioners throughout the machine, and you can see those in your manual. You want to keep those fairly snug. If you push the chain tensioner all the way out to where it doesn't keep the chain tight, then the chain has stretched to a point where you need to replace them. And then we're going to move over here from the sprockets over to the shaft. You have a top and bottom drive shaft that drives each one of those off of these gears. On the gears, you want to put a grease. We have a silicone grease we put on them, or you can use a wheel bearing grease on these. And then on the other side of this, of course, you have the motor, and on each end of each one of these, you have a pillow block bearing, which is mounted on the back of that, and you want to shoot some grease on those once in a while. They do have a fitting, and then you want to double check and make sure that the bolts are tight. With the drive system also, we have them preset at the factory. We do know that the manual talks about them, but if you're going to do anything with the drive rollers, maintenance them, loosening bolts and things like that, please call us first and we'll go over them with you. Keep your hands out of it. Keep the covers on it when you're running it, even in maintenance mode. Try not to put your hands in there. No towels, rags, or anything like that. These things will just pull a towel right in and eat it up.